So I'm at the Meow Wolf in Denver, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty crowded event. One tip, she did ask if I was local or visiting, and I said visiting, so my ticket was $10 more than if I had just said I was local.
Today I'm going to be taking you up to the convergence, portions of 4 different alien worlds that broke apart from their home planets and smushed into a new one.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
That first room, I'm exhausted and want to go home, but I also want to check out the other rooms. Experience. My first hour in there, I was pretty disoriented and lost. Yeah, I was kind of dehydrated from walking around town first. But after I rehydrated with an overpriced and weak tea and a glass of water, I went back in with a new mission. I got one of the scanning cards for $3. Can I go online and check anything with it when I get home, or it's just
the QR code on the back of that card, ready to let you see all the content you've collected.
But it gave me like a mission and something to focus on, because without focus, it's very overwhelming. Okay, so I got my scan card and I'm ready for round 2. After the break, I feel a little better and reoriented. Let's find out what this does.
What's the most unruly place of all?
Yep, you're right. Look at that. 15 minutes is super cool, but then after that, when you just keep going and going and it's just stuff and stuff, it's a little overstimulating. But overall, I had a really great time, and I'm looking super forward to checking out the Meow Wolf in Vegas and also New Mexico. Probably Vegas first because that's a lot closer. But overall, had a really great time. Highly recommend it, and really great for all ages. And by all ages, I mean if you're more mobile. There are elevators, but a lot of the experiences you want to be able to walk through. Well, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day. Meow.